Shrishta.
Hi Shrestha.
What are you doing?
I'm feeling like I'm flying in the sky.
What do you mean?
Do you know about BIETC?
What is that?
PM inaugurates the new state-of-the-art BOEING India Engineering and Technology Center in Bengaluru, Karnataka.
Launches BOEING's Kanya program aiming to support the entry of girl children into country's growing aviation sector.
BOEING campus will become one of the most cutting-edge examples of the Prime Minister's Self-Reliant India initiative.
BIETC will serve as a hub for innovation and drive advancements in aviation.
Bengaluru links aspiration to innovation and achievements.
BOEING's new facility is a clear indication of Karnataka's rise as a new aviation hub.
15% of pilots are women, which is 3 times more than the global average.
Success of Chandrayaan has infused scientific temper among the youth of India.
Rapidly growing aviation sector is giving impetus to India's overall growth and employment generation.
Building a developed India in next 25 years has now resulted in 140 crores Indians.
India's policy approach to encourage Make in India is a win-win situation to every investor.
The Prime Minister took a walkthrough of the Experience Center and interacted with Sukanya benefits.
And do you know, guys, it is built with an investment of rupees 1,600 crores. The 43-acre campus is BOEING's largest such investment outside the USA.
Thank you.